అంధత్వం ఓ శాపం కాదు. అంధత్వం ఓ పాపం కాదు. అంధత్వం కేవలం ఓ పరీక్ష మాత్రమే. ఆ పరీక్షను దీక్షగా ఎదుర్కొంటూ కళ్ళున్న వారి చూపులు పెద్దవి చేస్తున్నారు ఎందరో అంధులు. వారే ప్రేరణగా మనము ముందుకు కదులుదాము. కనీసం కొద్దిసేపైనా అంధత్వంతో బంధుత్వం పొందుదాము. అంధుల జీవితాన్ని అనుభూతి పొందుదాం. ఆ చీకటిలోని నిజమైన వెలుగులు దర్శిద్దాం. లెట్స్ ఫీల్ వాట్ దే ఫీల్.
చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్ది ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది. మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది ఎదిగిన కొద్ది ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది.
It was kind of scary because I couldn't see and I'm not used to walking without seeing my feet and I felt unbalanced and it was really nervous.
I was completely dependent, man. I was completely dependent on people telling me what to do, go left, right, forward. It was mayhem. I just didn't have any control.
తెలుసుకుంటే సత్యమిది, తలచుకుంటే సాధ్యమిది.
जिंदगी के हर एक मोड़ पे मैं गीत गाता चला जा रहा हूँ. जिंदगी के हर एक मोड़ पे मैं गीत गाता चला जा रहा हूँ. बेखुदी का ये आलम न पूछो, मंजिलों से बढ़ा जा रहा हूँ. मंजिलों से बढ़ा जा रहा हूँ. कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया. लू छुप गया आसमां भी इश्क मेरा रंग लाया. ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया
very nice. The show was awesome. This is my first time, so really good.
So how is Sonu Nigam?
I have no words. Yeah, this is, like I said, it's a very magical evening.
सच कुछ 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 भी ना 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 तारीफ ये भी तो सच कुछ भी नहीं.
It was awesome. I just love it. They are really doing a very good job. I know a lot about them while I was in India, but they are doing a wonderful job. They have grown rapidly, as I saw, and they're a great non-profit organization. The concert was actually, for all the profits were contributed to Shankara, so I think it's a very noble initiative.
This is a milestone for Shankara Eye Foundation Seattle chapter. I started the chapter 10 years back, and then now I can see that now we have these 3,000 people attending the event, and this is like a major milestone in Seattle chapter, and hopefully we see more participation from the donors and the people to grow Shankara Eye Foundation, and then we're gonna go and then build 8 more hospitals. We want to achieve 2020 by 2020. Yeah.
So how was the response till now?
Awesome. Sonu Nigam rocks, and then we had great reviews all over so far.
బేసిక్గా శంకర్ ఐ ఫౌండేషన్కి ఇది ఒక పెద్ద చారిటీ షో కింద చేస్తున్నాము. ఐ థింక్ శంకర్ ఐ ఫౌండేషన్కే కాకుండా సియాటిల్లోనే ఇది అతి పెద్ద షో. ఇవాళ వరకు జరిగిన షోస్లో చాలా పెద్ద షో ఇది. సో శంకర్ ఐ ఫౌండేషన్ విజన్ 2020 అని ఉంది. గుంటూరు ఫేజ్ 3 హాస్పిటల్. ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, నేను తెలుగు వాడిని. సో మన గుంటూరు ఫేజ్ 3 హాస్పిటల్ కూడా ఇది చాలా బాగా యూజ్ అవుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నాం.
It's fortunate that I was part of this team, and like all our hard work has paid off at the end, and I'm very happy.
I was very pleased to have this opportunity and to work for Shankara Eye Foundation. I'm so pleased. Can't have any more words.
Okay.
Shankara Eye Foundation has been like the Kanpur hospital that inspired me, and it's a great pleasure to be a part of SEF. I'm really excited to see such a successful show because it was just the efforts of the volunteers and selfless volunteering. I mean, it's not that they have any will call that they want something back. It's just selfless volunteers helping, working for 1,000 hours. And it's a successful show, so I'm really glad and I'm happy about this. I support Shankara Eye Foundation.